You lying. It's me, Brittany. Sorry if you're thrown off by the little turban. Just got out the shower. I was a smelly girl. And I tried to make my stomach feel better from the no burping challenge, but honestly, my stomach is killing me again. Again, I probably might rather do the Wilbur's Revenge challenge again than this. That's how bad my stomach hurts. So obviously I do not recommend this challenge to anyone. No, no. I don't know why, but no burping hurts your tum-tum. So, yeah. Don't try it. I don't recommend it. People, send me more challenges, 'cause you're lying.